What does summer sound like? Is it the roar of a dinosaur? The sizzle of a science experiment? Or the giggles of a grand adventure? At Yangfan Preschool, it's all of that, and so much more. We believe the world is the ultimate playground. One day, we're fearless pirates hunting for treasure. The next, we're paleontologists digging for dinosaur bones that are millions of years old. We travel deep into the Amazon rainforest. And we become caring veterinarians, learning how to look after our favorite furry friends. Here, creativity isn't just taught, it's unleashed. We believe imagination is every child's first superpower. We paint with sunscreen to see the sun's magic, craft our own tie-dye masterpieces, and build entire dinosaur skeletons from plastic. Every creation is a masterpiece. But summer at Yangfan is about more than just fun themes. It's about building friendships, learning to share, and discovering that we can do anything when we work together. Exploration, creativity, friendship, growth. This is what summer feels like at Yangfan Preschool. Join our family. The adventure is waiting.